I like to say I got ice on my neck, but no man, I got a turtleneck on my neck. This how I start, right? Flipping the script, taking this hit song, and right now turning it in over his head. Pause, this is a time to show. This is my time, I'll say the things I know. This is my time, I'll strut the sound I know, which is why I create and I keep it on the low. No, I'm not a pro, maybe one day, but every day makes me grow. I don't like to show, maybe just a bit. It's a frenzy, but everything seems so big, and I keep it on a pinch, making little moves, pushing all these buttons. If I don't nobody would, yeah, I be out here putting my best foot up on the map. Always be let you, cause I know God has got the plans, and he says God's plan, yeah, it's just facts. Don't be messing up with me, cause you don't got the time. The works, they let me know, the thoughts, they make me whole. The toughness, let me grow. Don't be bragging that I know, cause I keep it on the low.
Check. So the heavyweight tech bro decided to do rap. Damn, that's like Tinubu wanna do rap. No hope, the cat don't fit, so drop it. But yeah, we just playing, so I decided to jump in like Tech Monger be the name, just so you know. I'm a big fan, so I thought I should let you know. Maybe this is how I finally get to blow. Rocking with the kings of the game with a stepping stone. I'm barely nothing, we're up to something better. Watch out for me, man, I'm coming. Looking at me now, I can tell that I'm the next best thing. Content creation, I'm still just mic testing. Just getting started, and it's already getting interesting. It ain't interesting if it doesn't bring the interest in. So follow me, go. Fisayo Fosudo, Tech Monger on the show. Like it, stage it, duet it, drop it, comment, let move faster, share it. Let them know that bros can rap too. More than the beat, and I'm out in 1, 2.